Ismail, being you can say the father of the main descendants, the main lineage of the Prophet Muhammad, he learned the Arabic language from the Arab themselves. Now all of this I'm explaining to you in very summary and a little bit vague without details, just for me to get to a point, which is in the ark of Noah, as they say in English, there was 80 people in there. And amongst those people and amongst those men, there was one called Jurhum. Now when the ark and that boat went to Al-Judi, which got stopped in a mountain, then everybody came down and all the species came down, and then they started to repopulate that area. And from that area, many people, they started to migrate. From amongst those people, the descendants of Jurhum. Now the descendants of Jurhum, they came from that area which was around Yemen and so on, and they came around the Arabic Peninsula, which in this case we're talking about Makkah. Now Ismail, in a long hadith in Sahih al Bukhari, is explained as the hadith says, عن ابن آنس رضي الله عنه في حديث طويل: وشب الغلام وتعلم العربية منهم وأنفسهم وأعجبهم حين شب فلما أدرك زوجوه امرأة منهم. That Ismail عليه السلام, he grew up amongst these people that made hijrah from amongst those tribes of the Arab. They came towards Makkah, where now Ismail was with his mom, and then he went ahead and learned Arabic from them, the Jurhum tribe, who had migrated towards where Ismail was at, and they admired him as he grew older. So when he reached maturity, they married him to a woman from among them, i.e. he got married to an Arab woman. So here you can see that Ismail, being you can say the father of the main descendants, the main lineage of the Prophet Muhammad, he learned the Arabic language from the Arab themselves. Now all of this I'm explaining to you in very summary and a little bit vague without details, just for me to get to a point, which is at that time there was no grammar, there was no rules, there was no mubtada, no khabar, no syntax, iʿrāb, all of these things. But rather, as you can see, Ismail, he learned the Arabic language from them, as in from just living with them and seeing how they express their intents on a day-to-day basis about what they want to say, about what they want to make the other person understand.